Hello, first grade. We are going to continue with a new prompt for writing to explain. The reason why we want to be able to explain our reasoning is to be able to persuade somebody about some feelings that we have. So we're writing in order to tell the writer why we have these strong feelings. This week, since Sunday is Mother's Day, our prompt is, do you think your mom is the best? Why? Now, most of us, almost all of us, do think that our mom is the best. And so we really want to give good reasons why. Especially if you're telling somebody else why your mom is the best, they might think, no, my mom's the best. But if you have good reasons why, then you could come up with a conclusion, or you can agree that both your moms are good because of different reasons. In order to organize our thoughts, we are going to use a one-sided flow map just to get some ideas down. So over here on the left, I have 4 small rectangle cutouts, and those are for my reasons. Because of this, I believe this main idea here. So on the right, I have my main idea. And my main idea is going to answer my prompt question. Do you think your mom is the best? So I'll put a little note up here just to remind you this is where you answer the prompt. And I want to answer my prompt in a good sentence. So if the question is, do you think your mom is the best? I need to think of a sentence that answers that. And then we're going to put the reasons why here on the left. I answered my prompt, there are many reasons why I think my mom is the best. So not only am I saying with this sentence that I think my mom is the best, but I'm also saying I have reasons for why. So I'm setting myself up to answer this prompt. Do you think your mom is the best? Yeah, I think she's the best, and I have reasons why. I want to answer both my questions with this paragraph. For this week, we are all going to start with the introduction sentence. There are many reasons why I think my mom is the best. And we have an exclamation point because when we're talking about someone we really care about, or we're talking about reasons why, we can get very excited, very passionate about our reasons. And we all love our moms. We're all excited to share the wonderful things that our moms do for us. So I have an exclamation point here at the end. Now I need to think of 4 reasons why I think my mom is the best. Now that shouldn't be too hard for you. Make sure you're thinking about why your mom is kind. How does she help you? Come up with all those good reasons. Now, I am talking about my mom, so my reasons might not be the same reasons for you. But some of the reasons why I think my mom is the best are she takes care of me, she cooks food, she is fun, and she teaches me things. Now, these are all very simple sentences. We are used to not writing simple sentences anymore. But for this one-sided flow map, I just want to jot down my ideas, my answer, and my reasons why. And then when I move this over to a flow map to form my paragraph, that's when I'm going to add details. So right now, keep it nice and simple. Make sure you have a beginning of the sentence with a subject, and make sure your sentence ends with either a period, exclamation point, or a question. Question mark wouldn't apply for reasons why, because we don't want to ask for a reason, we want to give the reasons. But we do want to make sure that these reasons are in a complete sentence. Okay? So again, this week we are all answering the prompt with the same sentence. I'm sorry. Okay, when you get your practice or onto your practice slides, the second slide is going to have this same image. Your prompt is going to be on the left-hand side, and it's going to say, do you think your mom is the best? Why? And then you're going to have your one-sided flow map. Remember, the answer goes in the large box. This is your main idea. And the small rectangles are for your reasons why. So if I answer the prompt, we are all going to use this introduction sentence this week. There are many reasons why I think my mom is the best. All of us are going to have that, okay? You are going to give your own reasons why here in these 4 boxes. Just 4 sentences, 1 sentence per box. And all of these answers or sentences in the boxes have to be a reason why your mom is the best. So maybe you want to put, she's fun, or she's a good singer, or she makes the best desserts, or maybe she can do your hair in nice ways. There are many different reasons why your mom can be simply the best, okay? So, this is the end of your lesson for part 1. Go ahead and go back onto Schoology. Make sure you do the writing day 1 practice, and that's when you're going to be able to put in your own reasons why your mom is the best.